Alrighty. One more minute to go, y'all. Yeah, almost Happy New Year here in Las Vegas. My rooftop perch here. Looks like they're popping some off over there by Sunrise Manor. Up that valley. That direction there, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Happy New Year, folks. Yeah, they're going off all the way around me. I'm trying to decide. I think I'm gonna keep... Oh, that was a pretty good one. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in, and then I'm gonna try to keep it aimed towards... Oh, there's the strip. The strip's starting there, the fireworks now. Okay, let me see. Oh, let me zoom in here. Hopefully it'll stay focused. Happy New Year, all you variables out there. Oh my, yeah. They're going off at all ends of the valley right now. I wish I could zoom in just a little bit closer. But that's as close as I can get right now. Sorry, folks. Yeah. Yeah, they're popping off all the way around me. I'm trying to lay low, too. I'm trying really hard to lay really low, because I know that sometimes there are people that like to pop off their guns at times like this. So if you can picture this right now, I'm laying on my stomach in the valley of our rooftop, trying to capture this footage. And seriously, I don't think I would want to be anywhere else right now, folks. You know, I say that I do this stuff for y'all, but I gotta say, I gotta confess, I'm a little bit selfish. I do this for me too. You know, times like this right now, I'm doing this for me. Oh wow. Wow, it's lighting up the clouds down there. How about that? Oh my, sorry. I'm trying to stay with my head down. I'm trying to keep my body and my head down, because seriously, I don't want to get shot by any stray things flying around in the air right now. So, oh, there, it's like glowing red down there. The sky. Oh, oh my. Yeah, sorry. Let me focus back in on the strip here. That looks kind of cool. How about that? Oh, sorry, folks. There we go. Happy New Year, y'all. They're really popping off, a lot of them over at by Horizon Bridge area too. Oh my, yeah. It's all the way around. Just like 4th of July, folks. plane coming in right now too. Well, there's another one too right behind it. We're there getting an interesting view, huh? I'm not sure, but I think the showdown on the strip was supposed to go for like 7 or 9 minutes or something. I'm not sure, but yeah, there's some of the buildings down there that are blocked by that tree too. But sorry, folks, I was trying to make sure I kept my head down here. All the little valleys up to the north and up by Lake Las Vegas too. Looked like they were popping a bunch of them off up there by Lake Las Vegas too. And up on the other side of Black Mountain, probably up by Anthem Hills it looks like. I don't think the camera is picking it up, but there are fireworks popping off on the side of the mountains out there in the distance too. I can see faint fireworks going off on the side of Mount Charleston too. Oh, oh my. I don't know. It just seems like a little bit of waste. A little bit of waste of money. It is what it is, you know. Yeah, I don't think I need to remind anybody that's watching this right now how hard times can be for some people right now. So I just felt compelled to say that. It does look fantastical and it's kind of interesting to document it, but part of me is a little bothered by the amount of wastefulness, you know. Oh my. Going on 8 minutes now. Maybe it was 9 minutes. Maybe it was a 9-minute long one. That might have been it, folks. Yeah. Happy New Year, folks. All you variables out there, stay different. Stay unique. And know that I appreciate you watching and that you matter very much to me. More to come. If I can help it. One last thing I want to do here is zoom out and just kind of do a spin around really quick and show the valley here. Nighttime view all the way around. That's to the north. And the east. And heading towards the south. West. So that's about it for tonight, folks. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna try and get down here safely so I can get this video.